Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And we're starting on the daily, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the daily, I've been saying that the 78% very likely could be an area where this goes down, breaks structure, and gives us a reversal on the higher time frames. And I definitely think that is possible. But if we assume that that's going to happen, what is likely to actually happen is it just goes down, makes a higher low, and just keeps on trending up. And I personally am not going to become very, very bearish until the market proves that my analysis is right with a break of structure to the downside at the 78%, which we obviously do not have yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it's very easy to assume that this is going to be the area where it turns. But we can't really assume anything about the market. So we need to put our Fibonacci retracement on here. We already got a nice 61% Fibonacci bounce last night in the Asian session. That definitely could have been a nice long. Now, for me personally, if it breaks this low, that's what's going to turn me bearish. If it breaks the daily time frame low, that's definitely going to turn me bearish. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I am definitely still looking at as a possible pullback within a uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.